Hey everyone, today we're diving into a game-changing tool that's going to transform the way you approach inbound marketing content, Oscr AI. Oscr AI is an AI-powered content toolkit designed to automate your inbound marketing efforts. If you're tired of spending countless hours researching and organizing content, then you're in for a treat. With Oscr AI, you can say goodbye to the endless struggle of content research. This innovative tool simplifies the entire process, allowing you to digest, organize, and curate source materials effortlessly. Imagine integrating any content source, from news articles to YouTube videos, directly into your workflow. Instead of getting bogged down by research, Oscr AI empowers you to focus on what truly matters, creating compelling hooks and telling engaging stories that resonate with your audience. With this tool, your brand can grow like never before. Using Oscr AI is simple. Just connect your preferred content sources and let the AI do its magic. It organizes the information for you, saving you time and energy, so you can spend more time crafting your message and connecting with your audience. If you're ready to elevate your inbound marketing strategy and take the hassle out of content research, give Oscr AI a try. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights on the best tools for marketers. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you've tried Oscr AI yourself. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring.